So for this example, we have two functions, and we are asked to find b of a of x. So I'm going to rewrite the inside parentheses. A of x is the square root of x minus 5. So I'm going to rewrite that inside parentheses. So this is the same thing as b of, and again, I'm rewriting this with x minus 5, or square root of x minus 5. So finding b of the square root of x minus 5 is asking, in notation form, to plug in this expression in for x wherever there's an x in this function. So right here. So that means I would have 3 times the square root of x minus 5 minus 2. So this is my composition. What are the restrictions on the domain? So if I look at my composition, I have a square root. And if I look at the square root, if you remember, there can't be any negative square roots. For instance, the square root of negative 4 does not exist. It has an answer of 2i because it's imaginary, but there's no real number answer for this. For instance, the square root of negative 16, the square root of negative 5, all of these are imaginary. So I need to make sure that this square root is not negative, because if it is, it's imaginary. So I need to make sure that x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 0, meaning not negative, right? So to solve this, I would add 5 to both sides. So the restriction is x has to be greater than or equal to 5, because if you choose a number less than 5, like for instance 4, if I plug in 4 here, that would be negative.